सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ Page 97, Shloka 6, 4th chapter. Idamagre sadevāsīt bahuttvāya tadaikṣata tejo bannāndajādīni sasarjeti ca samagaham. In the last class, I have introduced the 4th chapter, the subject matter, that is Dvaita Viveka. Dvaita means duality. Viveka means analysis, discriminating between two types of duality. First duality is Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam, that duality created by Ishvara. Second one is Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, the duality created by the Jiva, the individual. These two dualities, Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam and Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, both of them are unreal, Vyavaharikam, Mithya. There is a practical benefit by studying this Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam and Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. There is a practical benefit for one's life if we study these two dualities. What is that practical benefit? By this study, we are going to know there is no problem in Ishvara Srishti. There is no problem in Ishvara Srishti. There is problem only in Jiva Srishti. In one duality, there is no problem. You can happily enjoy that duality. Whereas in one duality, that is Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, is problematic. Therefore, we are going to learn how to handle the Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, which is problematic. Just as the mother, two children are there, one son is very naughty, other son is very calm and quiet. That naughty child has to be taken care of, must be handled properly, carefully. Otherwise, that child creates a lot of problems in the house. Like that, we have to handle this Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, that which is created by me alone, that is subjective reality. I have to study about it and handle it. That is the practical benefit. If I understand the Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, what it is exactly, if I handle it, my sufferings in my life are very, very less, very feeble. Almost I am free from all insecurities, limitations, problems. My life can be a bloomy life, not gloomy life. My life will be bloomy, not gloomy. If I understand Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, unreal, and handle carefully. Glass with care, they say, no. Fragile, glass with care, that parcel, they write upon that. glass with care. In the Jiva Srishta Dvaitam is like that. Fragile glass with care. Be careful. That is the practical benefit. So for that, now Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam, Vidyaranya talking first. Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam, Ishvara only created the God, universe. People generally say, all people say what creation is created by God. How do you know? How do you know? Just like that we are telling. Have you seen when he is creating? With what he created? No. Then how can you say? Just like that we say. Just like that is not correct. You have to say with a support. Vidyaranya gives the support. Upanishad, 4 Vedas he quotes and 4 Upanishads. 4 Upanishads from 4 Vedas. First he gave was from second shloka onwards, Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam, Krishna Yajurveda he has taken Shvetashvatara Upanishad. Shvetashvatara Upanishad, Krishna Yajurveda 4.9. First quotation he has given. It is Apaurusheyam. No human intellect can reveal that. Only Apaurusheya Shastram, that Alaukika Shabda alone can reveal. Then second quotation he gave was third shloka, Rig Yajurveda, Aitareya Upanishad. He has given the quotation. Atmava idamagre asit. Then in fourth shloka, he gave another quotation from Taittiriya Upanishad, Brahmanandavalli. Kham, Vayu, Agnihi, Apaha, all of them are born from up to body. They are all born. Taittiriya Upanishad, Pramanam, again Krishna Yajurveda. Then fourth Pramanam he has taken from Samaveda, fifth sloka also, Taittiriya Upanishad, only further elaboration. Bahusyam ahameva ataha prajayeya. Let me become many. Brahman thought of, let me become many. Bahusyam. Let me become many. This is also from Taittiriya. Then sixth shloka, he took from Chandogya Upanishad. Atmava idamagre asid. Sadeva. Sat means Atma. Sadeva Soma idamagra asit ekameva dvitiyam. Sadeva asit. Sat means existence. Existence is Atma. How existence can be Atma? Taittiriya Pramanam. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Satyam is Brahma. Therefore, Satyam is Brahma. Brahma eva Atma. Sadeva asit. Sat alone was there. Bahutvaya tad aikshata. That Atma alone aikshata, visualized. Tapas. Jnanamayam tapaha. Visualized the previous srishti. Previous jivas and their karmas he visualized. That visualization from for whom, which body I have to give. Where they have to born, in Mylapore or T Nagar or Shanai Nagar. Which area they have to born. All he, Bhagavan visualized. Tad aikshata. Aikshata na ade artham. Tad aikshata. Then what he did? Tejaha up andajadini. Svedajani aikshata. He want to create all species. First he created 3 elements. Tejaha means fire. Second line, 6th shloka. Up means water, Anna means Prithvi. We are not interested in it. The Upanishad is talking the creation with 5 elements or 3 elements. We are not going to argue with that. And the Srishtila Tatparyam illa. This topic comes in Brahma Sutra. How Upanishad can say there are 5 elements for creation. In the creation, first 5 elements come. Now Chandogya says only 3 elements. That means Upanishad also problem. There is problem. There Vyasacharya tells in Brahma Sutra, no, you have to supply Akasha Vayu. You have to supply. That is why in the order of study of Upanishad, Ishakena Katha Prashna Mundamandukya Tittirihi Aitareyam Cha Chandogyam. 9th Upanishad Chandogyam. Chandogya Upanishad expects that the student of this Chandogya already completed 8 Upanishads. Pava Upanishad expects that. And Panchadashikara Vidyaranya also expects the students of Panchadashi also this to have completed 10 Upanishads. He is quoting all over. Brihadaranyaka is quoting, what not, which Upanishad is not quoting. That is why care of my previous cassettes or CDs, you have to, if you want to get thorough clarity in Panchadashi. No other way. Otherwise also you can listen. But so. Understanding is so. See how many quotations he is bringing. Some students says, I have attended Swamini, I have completed. Anna. Do you remember? Anna? Adida Kashtam. Go through your notes. Go through your previous CDs, what you have bought. Some students do not know what they bought also. There are so many CDs. They get doubt whether the CD is there with us or not. That's why you have to maintain a record for that. So you have to first study from a teacher, then you have to buy those CDs or cassettes, listening somehow, or notes, you have to go through it. இதெல்லாம் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணி தான் அவர் பேசுகிறாரு பாவம் வித்யாரண்யர். அவருக்கு நம்ம பற்றி தெரியாது. You do not know that how much busy we are. If you have that background in your mind, of course, it's a very vast Upanishad. Brihadaranyakam is very big. Chandogyam is also very big. But what he is quoting are very, very important quotations. எங்கேயோ ஏதோ மூல கொட்டேஷன் பண்ண நமக்கு புரியாமல் இருக்கலாம். இதெல்லாம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மந்த்ராஸ். மினிமம் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரிமெம்பர். அட்லீஸ்ட் வைல் ஹீ இஸ் டாக்கிங், என்ஜாய் தட். தட்ஸ் வாட். ஓகே. தேஜஹா அப். அன்னம் மீன்ஸ் பிருத்திவி, எர்த். அண்டஜாதீனி, ஐ வாஸ் எக்ஸ்பிளைனிங் இன் த லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ். அண்டஜாதீனி, டிஃபரெண்ட் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீஷீஸ். சம் ஆஃப் தெம் ஆர் born from egg. Anda means egg. Egg-born birds. Birds are egg-born. No? They hatch the eggs. From that, their species comes. Adipadat Jara. I said Jara means Jarayujam. Born of womb. Like us, Vuya and animals. Dipada. Naturally, Dvipada, animals are Chatushpadam. Nama Dvipadam. Okay. Birds are also Dvipadam only. So, Pada you should not count. Leg is not the criteria, but born from the womb. Animals are also born from their mother's womb. Human beings are also born from the mother's womb. They are called Jarayujam. Then third one is Udbhijam. I said Udbhijya means Bhumim Bhijya. Udbhijya, by breaking the earth, some species, plant kingdom comes out. Mushrooms. They break the earth and come out. Mushrooms, plants, shrubs, trees, all of them come like that. Then Svedajam, moisture, mosquitoes. From mosquito, moisture means from water. Mosquitoes like etc., they come. All of them put together Andajadini, 84 lakhs of species. Aquatic also included. Aquatic in the ocean. It is a big, huge world. Sasarja, Srijja dhatu, lit, Prathama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Sasarja, Sasrujatuhu, Sasrujuhu. Created. Samagaha. The Samaveda Upanishad Chandogya says this. Samagaha. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka. Vispulinga yatha vannehem Jayante ksarastastatha Vividhaschijjada bhavaham Ityatharvaniki shrutihi. So until now Vidyaranya has completed Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda. Now he is taking from Atharvena Veda also, fourth Veda. Atharvaniki Srutihi Vadati. Vadati you have to supply. Mundakopanishad, Atharvaniki Upanishad. First Upanishad. Mundakopanishad. 1 decade back we have completed Mundakopanishad. Mandukya is different, Mundaka is different. Some students will have confusion. Mundaka, Mandukya, or the one letter confuses. So Mundakopanishad. Mandukyam also Atharvana Veda Upanishad only. One lady asked me, she has completed all her study, Vedanta. Mandukya Upanishad, she asked. Mandukya Upanishad. Mandukya Upanishad. When you write in English, Mandukya, therefore on Akan A, you have to write Dirgham. Mandukya. If you write in English, Mandukya Upanishad. Then I couldn't understand what is Mandukya Upanishad. Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya, Mandukya Upanishad is not there. So, Mundaka Upanishad, Atharvana Veda Upanishad, Vadati or Ahuhu. Kim Vadati Mundaka Upanishad? About Srishti. How Srishti has come. The mantra is quoted from second Mundaka 211. In footnote they have given there 211 Mundaka Upanishad. Tadi tat satyam yatha sudiptat pavakat vispulingaha sahasrashaha prabhavanti sarupaha tathaksharat vividha somya bhavaha prajayanti tatra chaivapiyanti. This mantra, based on that, some words Vidyaranya borrows, takes from the mantra. He says, Yatha, just as, Vannehe Vispulingaha Jayante, Vannehe, from the fire, Vispulingaha, sparks, Jayante, arise, born. Just as from the fire, the sparks emerges out, born. Yatha vannehe vispulingaha jayante tatha, in the same manner, aksharat, Tataha aksharat. Where is tatha? And the first line, last word, tatha, in the same manner. In the same manner. When I give the meaning, suppose you have habit of writing, and the Sanskrit word you write and write the meaning, so that after few years you will become a Sanskrit scholar. Tatha. Similarly, yatha, just as. Now you prepare like this, what will happen? You are a scholar. And tomorrow your grandson see your notes, Abba, Tata, Patti, Panditar, Sanskrit law. Onnume illa class lo mukkaadane eludunta meaning word to word. Yatha, tatha. Just as, in the same way, tatha, tataha aksharat, from that aksharam. Where it is said aksharam, Mundakopanishad. In this mantra, 211, aksharam means param brahma. Yesterday we saw in Bhagavad Gita, imperishable, kim tat brahmana, aksharam brahmana. Imperishable consciousness principle is Brahman. No much gap also to forget. Yesterday only we heard, today same aksharam has come, you see the connection. So Bhagavad Gita is Upanishad Saram. Now you can agree? Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastrena. So this aksharam, imperishable Brahman, from that, kim jayante vividha chit jadaha bhavaha jayante. Jayante, you have to supply again. Same jayante. Just as the sparks born from the fire, similarly from aksharam, many species are born. Vividhaha chit jadaha. Sentient chit. Jadaha means insentient. Insentient and sentient both are born, many varieties, not one or two. How many varieties are there? So many. Vividhaha means multitude. Chijjadaha, bhavaha means beings, entities, objects. Objects, entities which are sentient, which are insentient. Born. So one fire, many sparks. One Brahman, Aksharam Brahma, many species. So one Brahman is the Karanam. Just as one fire is Karanam, and many sparks are Karyam, products. Karyams can be many. Karyams can be many. Similarly, Aksharam Brahma is one. Brahma Chaitanyam is one. Jivas are many. 84 crores of species, products, karyams born from one Brahman. Vividhaha chit jadaha means some of them are animate, some of them are inanimate. Murtam, amurtam. Chaitanyam, they have, some of them, chit is manifesting. In table, desk, chit is not manifesting. It comes under jadam. Fan comes under jadam. Fan moves, Swamini. Fan, how can it be jadam? Don't say fan is moving, therefore Chaitanyam. Okay. So, where there is a Chaitanyam, that is chit. All beings are called chit. These mics, desk, what are all you are using? Bhogya prapancha is jada prapancha. Bhoktru prapancha is chit prapancha. Chit jada vividhaha bhavaha. Chit chetanam, jada achetanam. Both of them are bhavaha, entities, varieties of species and objects. Bhokta and bhogyam. Okay? All species are enjoyers, experiencers. Jada vastus are called experienced. They are experienced by me. I am the bhokta chit. I am having chetanam. That's why I enjoy the car when I am driving. Car is chetanam or achetanam? Achetanam. Thank God. If a car also chetanam, it will go for walking. And the amma by class la ukkarindhirukka 1 hour. Let me have 1 hour walking. வெளியில போயிடும். எல்லா பொருள் அப்படியே நடந்துடும் வீட்டில். Now this flower is here, is jadam. Is sitting. Bhogya vastu. You are enjoying the flower, I am also enjoying the flower, color, of course vasanai. We are enjoying. It is called bhogya prapancha. I am bhokta. Clear? Ada chitta jada vividhaha bhavaha iti adharvaniki srutihi vadati ahuhu. Clear? Very, very clear. Okay, we go to the next shloka. Jagadavyakkritam purvam asidvyakriyatadhuna drishyabhyam namarupabhyam viradadishu te spute. Now Vidyaranya want to take Brihadaranyaka also, because it is one of the biggest Upanishad. Many quotations are there. How can he ignore that Upanishad? Therefore, another Veda, which is the part of Yajurveda. Yajurveda has got 2 parts, Krishna Yajurveda and Shukla Yajurveda. Taittiriya belongs to Krishna Yajurveda. Kathopanishad, Shvetashvatara, all belong to Krishna Yajurveda. Whereas Brihadaranyaka, Ishavashyam, they belong to another Veda, Shukla Yajurveda. Shukla Yajurveda. Now Brihadaranyaka from Shukla Yajurveda, he quotes Purusha Vidha Brahmanam 147, very important Brahmanam. In this Brahmanam, tadhyetat tarhi avyakritamasit tan namarupabhyam eva vyakriyata. That is the mantra, very big mantra. This is the beginning, he quotes here. Jagat avyakritam purvam asit. Purvam. Jagat asit. World was there. Jagat is universe. The universe, asit means past tense. Asit was there. World was there. In what form? Avyakrita rupam. Avyakrita means in unmanifest form, potential form, dormant form, or seed form. Avyakrita means dormant, seed form, potential form, unmanifest form, asit. Vyakriyata adhuna. Adhuna means now. Word, when they write the meaning, you will get a lot of vocabulary. Adhuna means now. Now means now. When you are here listening, adhuna, idanim, ityartha, now. Avyakritam, avyakrita. Avyakrita means what? It has come to manifest form. Which was in unmanifest form, now vyakriyata. V plus A plus kru dhatu. Vyakriyata, manifest. Just as from seed form the tree comes. Similarly, from seed form, the universe, that it comes to the manifest form. If you want best example, simple example, you go to Nallis or Pothys. The salesperson in the saree section, A saree section, if you go, how he unfolds the saree. Just like that, he puts like this. He should know, you have to see all the design, whole design. Again, another saree he puts, unfolding the saree. Then you go, you won't buy one single. And you go to other side. Afterwards, what this person does? Folding every saree. Folding. It is called again Avyakritam. Again another Unnur Amma Varuva, Unnur Party Varuva. Again Vyakritam. Unfolding. Idhe vela vaniki kaalilindi night varaku idhe vela Vyakritam Avyakritam. Vyakritam Avyakritam. Ippadi sonna nanna puriyum. Folding, unfolding. Now we are seeing everything which is in unfold manner. Manifesting. Unfold means opening. It is evident, available now. In sleep, nicely folding. In sleep, everything is folded manner. That is called Vyakritam, Avyakritam. Okay? Now when you fold your dress and keep in Birua, all of them are in Avyakritam or Vyakritam? Avyakritam. Once you take out and wear, it is called Vyakritam. V plus A plus Kr. From that only Vyakaranam has come. From that only same verb. V upasarga, A upasarga purvaka, Kr dhatoho, Vyakaranam, expansion. The unfold means what? Expansion. Vyakaranam means what? Expansion of the letters. Vyakaranam. Samskrita Vyakaranam, Telugu Vyakaranam, Tamil Vyakaranam, any Vyakaranam for that matter. Like that, here also, Brahman was there, Asit, Sadeva Asit, Jagat is in potential form. Same Jagat which was in potential form in Brahman, it comes into manifest. That is what he said. Adhuna Vyakriyata. How it has come, in what form? Nama Rupabhyam. What is world which is unfolded, manifesting? Nama Rupa. With a Nama Rupa. Nama means name. Rupa means form. Nama Rupabhyam Itham Bhavet Tritiya. In this manner, in the form of name and form. Drishyabhyam. That word is very important. Drishyabhyam. Nama, Rupa, Prapancha, which we are seeing, is nothing but Drishyam. What do you mean by Drishyam? Drishyam means object, which has got the object of consciousness. So Drishyam. Drishyam means object. He is indirectly telling Nama Rupa Prapancha, whatever is Drishyam, objectified by you, is Mithya. And the Drishyam word Mulama, Mithyatvam established Pandrar, Vidyaranyar. Drishyatvam, Drishyabhyam, by as an objective world. Drishyabhyam means with an objectivity, objective world. Drishyabhyam, Namarupabhyam. See, yat drishyam tat mithya drishyatvat ghatavat. Vyapti. Whatever is objectified by me, yat drishyam, the flower is objectified by me. It is drishyam. Object. I am subject. I am the subject, flower is object. So drishyam. Yat drishyam tatu mithya drishyatvat. It is different from me. Every drishya vastu is different from me. I am the subject, drishyam is object. So every object is mithya, it is not satyam. I am the consciousness is satyam. The knower, the subject of the object is real. The knower is the subject of every object is real. Drishyam is mithya. The knower of drishyam is drik. Object is known. I am the knower. Knower, the subject is real. Known object is unreal. That is what you have to understand. Drishyabhyam, namarupabhyam, where it is manifesting viradadishu, te namarupe spute. Viradadishu means mandukya, care of. Pradhamah padaha samashti sthula prapancha. Total grass universe, not grass, grass universe. Total grass universe samashti sthula prapancha rupena te nama rupe spute. Te means nama rupe. Two, dual, nama and rupa. Name and form. Jasmine is a name. Flower is a form. Every object has got two. What? Name and form. As the name comes, form comes. As the form comes, name comes. So, nama rupe dve viradadishu means in sthula prapancha. Virad adipadat sukshma hiranyagarbha karana prapancha all artha. Viradadishu means sthula, sukshma, karana. They are all there. They are in manifest form in jagrata avastha, vyakrita avastha, manifesting form. Viradadishu tasmad virada jayata virado adhipurushaha. Then comes on the Purusha Suktanla, with the Virat Purusha, Varnanam comes there. Sthula Jagat. Te spute, nama rupe spute. Now what sputam clear for you? Sputam anna clear. What is clear for you now? When you are starting from home, up to here you are coming and sitting. What is clear? Rendu. Nama, rupa. So and so person, so and so form. So and so object, so and so form. இதுதான் நம்ம கதை காலையிலேருந்து நைட் வரைக்கும் until ஸ்னோரிங் டைம் வரைக்கும் எல்லாமே நாம ரூபா ஸ்புடம். நமக்கு ஸ்புட்டம் அவர் ஸ்புட்டமாக சொல்றார் வித்யாரண்யர். கரெக்டு? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. விராண்மனுர்நரோ காவஹ விராண்மனுர்நரோ காவஹ खराश्वाजावयस्तथा खराश्वाजावयस्तथा पिपीलिकावधिद्वन्द्वं पिपीलिकावधिद्वन्द्वम् इति वाजसनेयनिः. Vajasaneyanihi. Okay? Now, he gives for elaboration. Virat, what we are talking, he quotes from the Brihadaranyaka 144. Ekameva idam kimcha midhunam आपीपीलिकाभ्यः तत् सर्वम् असृजता. Very big mantra. 144. What are all born? He says Virat first, Hiranyagarbha, Virat. Then Manu. That is why from Manu we are all born, therefore we are all called Manavaha. Manus, there are 14 Manus. The calculation given in Puranas, the Manu, one Manu rules many yugas. It's called Manvantaram. Manvantaram. From Manu only Naraha and human beings have come. Naraha means Nru Shabdam. Nru, Narau, Naraha. Human beings in Artham. Naraha. So one Manu is supposed to be 71 Chaturu Yugas he lives. One Manu lifespan is 71 Chaturu Yugas. What is Chaturu Yuga? So every Manu lives 71 Chaturu Yugas. One Chaturu Yuga calculation they give 43,20,000 years. One Chaturu Yuga ki 43,20,000 years one Chaturu Yuga. Like that 71 Chaturu Yugas. 71 Chaturu Yugas, one Manu. And the 71 Chaturu Yugas, one Manu time and the Srishti time. That's one day for Brahmaji. Virat ki that's one nala. 71 Chaturu Yugas of time la varu Manu and the 14 Manus will come. So 14 Manus, one Manu lifespan, one day for Brahmaji. Long, and the Brahma Lokati Pova Nariyapir. We can stay there, enjoy. In the Jeevan Muktana, Inge Pusukana Poro, Ponska, one way the next body could have end and children. Ange Nanairkus family. People don't want to disappear. Ingia, Angia, the Yengo Swargatilono, Yengo Angi Irkano. So, who likes this Jeevan Mukti? The Brahmaji life should attract 71,000 Chaturu Yugas, Brahmaji one day. Like that, Brahmaji lifespan also over 100 years in Enchukongle. Ippo 57 years so ennamo Brahmaji ki. Ippo in the Yugathike. Adu madri kanake panna mudiyadhu. Very difficult. Saptame Vaivaswatra Manvantare and sollu. Like that, 7th Vaivaswata Manu, now he is ruling. 7th, innu 7 varano. Ippo 7th middle lo irukkom. 7th Manu ruling now present. 28 Chaturu Yugas over until now. In the 7th Manu ki 28 Chaturu Yugas over. About 71 Chaturu Yugas complete agano. 28 da aichu. Adi 7th Manu. No, for 7 Manus are there. Apada Brahmaji ki over one day. Long life. Okay. Now look at the mantra. Sloka. Manuhu, Naraha, Gavaha. What are all born in this Thula Prapancha? So Virat born first. Brahmaji. Chaturmukha Brahma. Then Manus born. Then Naraha, human beings. Then next Jati. Gavaha, cows. Khara, donkeys, ass. Then Ashvaha, horses. Ajaha, goat. Avayaha, sheep. Avihi, avi, avayaha, sheep. Then avayaha, then tatha. More and more, tatha up to pipilika api. Pipilika api ante unto up to the ant. Abrahma pipilikanta tanushu. In the pipilika, ajaha, gajaha, karaha, ella 2 letters. In the pipilikam, gajama pairs. Letter on the 2. In the pipilika, ant ever irke. Ananu, neelamana pair. Yeah, and then a kadicha and I think pipilika and pair. Ant. Up to ant. Dvandvam. Avadhi is there, not api. Pipilika avadhi means avadhi means up to. Dvandva means pairs, couples. Male, female. Couples. Parents and mata. Male, female ants, as also goat, sheep, எல்லாமே male, female, male, female. அப்போதான் they can create their progeny. சிருஷ்டி கேன் இன்க்ரீஸ். இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி வச்சு துவே எல்லாமே பெயர் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு கமான் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ப்ராபகேட் யுவர் ஸ்பீஷீஸ். That's why you see the squirrel, when it wants to lay another squirrel, it makes a nice house for that. Next baby preparedness. எப்போ ஒரு கிராண்ட் மதர் ப்ரிப்பேர் த நைஸ்லி, மதர் ப்ரிப்பேர்ஸ் த ஸ்மால் பூத்தி இல்லை போடுவார் இல்லையா, இன்னும் பேபியை வரல முன்னாடியே ரெடியாக வச்சிடும். அது மாதிரி இந்த ஸ்குரில் ஆல்சோ நைஸ்லி சாஃப்ட்லி இட் ப்ரிப்பேர்ஸ் த பிளேஸ். பேர்ட்ஸ், எவ்ரி அனிமல் ஃபார் தட் மேட்டர் தே ப்ரிப்பேர். நம்ம எதுவும் நினைக்கிறோம், அப்பா எவ்வளோ குழந்தைக்கு பண்ணுறேன்னு, நம்ம விட அது நல்லா பண்ணுறது. எங்கெங்கேயோ இதெல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து சாஃப்டாக பண்ணி, டுடே மார்னிங் ஒன்று ஐசா எங்கெங்கிற துணிகின்னு எல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து நாறு ஈர் எல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து அது பிரித்து சாஃப்டாக பண்ணி குஷன் மாதிரி பண்ணி வைக்கிறது. அந்த 2 பல்லு வச்சு பார்ப்போம், கை கிடையாது கால் கிடையாது, வாயால் பண்ணுறது. எவ்வளோ இன்டெலிஜென்ட்டு பாருங்கள். என்ன பிஹெச்டி கிளாஸ் படிச்சுட்டா போய் அது ஒன்றும் படிக்கலை, ஆல்ரெடி இன்பில்ட் இன்சைட். லைக் தட் all of them dvandvamiti vajasaneyani na brihadaranyaka upanishad. Vajasaneyani means brihadaranyaka upanishad. Ahuhu. Next shloka. Krutva rupantaram jaivam dehe pravishadishvarah इति ताश्रुतयः प्राहुः जीवत्वं प्राणधारणात्. Very interesting. Now with this all Upanishads, 4 Vedas completed. Now Brahman desired to create all the species. He created. Okay? Having created some whole creation, some entities have to enjoy the other entities. Okay? Now the species he has created and Jadapurul he has created. So someone bhokta prapancham, bhogya prapancham, one has to enjoy the other, isn't it? One type of things are meant to be enjoyed, other type of entities are meant to enjoy. How they can enjoy? Having created all of them, they are all jadam by nature. Now Bhagavan has to enter in some species. He has to enter Chaitanya Rupena. Once he enters, then they become sentient. They can enjoy the Bhogya Prapancha. Sariram also Jadam. Bhagavan created this Jadam. 5 elements of Jad. This is Jadapurul. This is Jadam. This desk is also Jadam. Flower is also Jadam. Now body is Jadam, mind is Jadam, flower is Jadam. What is the use of creating Jadam? So Bhagavan what does? Let me enter in one part of matter and let me enjoy the other part of matter. Very important point. Let me enter in one part of matter to enjoy the other part of matter. So wherever there is subtle bodies, he enters. This is called Anupravesha Shruti. In species, in the bodies which are having subtle body, in that matter, that Brahman enters. Anupravesha, as it were. No really entry. Entry means what? Upalabdhi, availability. I used to give an example. Pot maker creates pot. What you are using? Space in the pot you are using. Pot creator brings the space or space enters the pot? Space need not enter the pot. As the pot is created, space is already there, it becomes a pot space. Similarly, as though entry, as it were, Brahman is all pervading. As the matter, body created, already pervading Brahman is available in the body, in the Sukshma Sariram. As though entry it is. Anupravesha. This is the secret. Yarukku theriyadu. Only Panchadashi students can know. எப்படி வருது இந்த சிருஷ்டி உலகம்னா இப்படிதான். First matter manifest, then Bhagavan Paramatma Chaitanyam enters as it were in some entities. They are called Chaitanya principles. Chit Jada he said. And the Chit Jada means what? Sukshma Sariram ready irukku. அதுக்குள்ள இந்த ஆத்ம சைத்தன்யம் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட்ஸ். சிதாபாச ரூபேண கேர் ஆஃப் தத்வபோதா ஓசி plus RM plus RC. RM Jadam. RM1 is what? Sthula Shariram. RM2 is what? Sukshma Shariram. RM3 is what? Karana Shariram. So RM1, RM2, RM3, in this RC takes place. RC is what? Xerox copy of OC. Xerox copy of OC. Original and duplicate. Duplicate always looks as it is original. That is why you keep always original keys safely using duplicate keys. Duplicate keys are same, looks like original. Xerox also sometimes look like original. Many times looks like original. Similarly, RC looks same like OC. Because of that RC, reflected consciousness, Chidabhasa, this body matter start functioning. இது 15 வயசுலேருந்து படிக்கணும் குழந்தை. இது படிக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம். படிக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம், படக்க வேண்டிய விஷயமா? தூங்கிட்டு இருக்க இந்த விஷயம் இது தெரிஞ்சுக்காமல் நம்ம ஏதோ நினைக்கிறோம் வேதாந்தம்னா அதெல்லாம் ஏதோ சொல்லியிருக்கான், வேதம்லாம் ஏதோ சொல்லியிருக்கான், கடவுள் பற்றி சொல்லியிருக்கா, ஏதோ எதோ சொல்லியிருக்கா, உன்னை பற்றி தான் சொல்லியிருக்க. What you are is explained here. This is the Vidya. Apara Vidya hi avidya. Other than Brahma Vidya, Akshara Vidya, all other Vidyas are as good as avidya, ignorance. How much we are missing, understand now. How much your children are missing. They have missing illa, missed. It's not a joke. Not studying this, what is gross body, what is subtle body, how this body is functioning, what is that principle makes this body active, how it makes it active, by what way, that and all we are studying. Look into the month sloka. Kritva rupantaram jaivam. Ishvaraha, first line, the last word. Ishvaraha pravishat. Ishvaraha kim jaivam rupantaram krutva. Jaivam means Jivatma. Jivatma version of Paramatma. Jaivam rupantaram krutva. Rupantaram means Xerox version. See, all pervading Paramatma, as the matter is created, Sthula Sukshma Sarira, automatically he is available in this body. That Paramatma who is available in this body is known as Jivatma. Just as the pot maker creates the pot, the Akasha in the pot gets the name. He need not give the name. What is that name of that space in the pot? part space. Outside space, total space. That is total space, this is part space. Part space, has he given the name? Part space is separate from the total space. It is total space only, but gets the name. Why this part space name comes? Because of what? Part. Correct? Because of part, total space gets the name. Part name? Part space. புரியுறது இல்லையா? புரியுறதா? அதே மாதிரி total all-pervading consciousness Brahma Chaitanyam, as the matter manifests as a body, mind, complex, all-pervading Paramatma is available in the body, gets the name Jivatma. Now who is sitting here? Body, mind, complex, incidental matter plus Jivatma, who is none other than, you are all muktas. I am not joking. This is called knowledge. I am not mesmerizing. I am not doing any trick, any magic here. Simple understanding. Understand the pot example, space, pot space. Understand the all-pervading consciousness. It is pervading, all-pervading plus all-pervading. The all-pervading is Jivatma, all-pervading is Paramatma. So Jivatma eva Paramatma. Paramatma eva Jivatma. Both are one and the same. Part space alone is total space. Total space alone is part space. The part name is temporary. Parts may come and go. Bodies may come and go. But I, the Paramatma, gets the name as though Jivatma. That is called Pravishat. As though entered. Jaivam Rupantaram Krutta. Rupantaram means modification, as it were. Rupantaram means not real modification, just Xerox copy. Means what? Reflected consciousness. The original consciousness ke inge reflected consciousness and pair. Idla reflect ahindirukaravar. So Rupantaram Dehe Pravishat. Dehe Pravishat. Now you say entered. Pravishat really literally you take. Just as space will not enter the pot, need not enter. ஏன்னா பாட்டு வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அங்கே ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கு. இந்த ஹால் எடுத்துக்கோங்களேன். This hall, space is there. After constructing a wall, space has entered the hall. என்ன? Space has not entered the hall. இருக்கிற ஸ்பேஸ்லயே ஹால் வந்திருக்கு. Walls have come. Walls வந்த உடனே இந்த ஸ்பேஸ்க்கு என்ன பேர் வச்சிருக்கோம்? ஹால் ஸ்பேஸ். பேரு தான் மாத்திட்டாள். அந்த வெளியில ஸ்பேஸ்க்கு இந்த ஸ்பேஸ்க்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்? ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. அதே ஸ்பேஸ் இதே ஸ்பேஸ். அதே மாதிரி நான் ஸ்பேஸ் லைக் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். இன் திஸ் பாடி வால்ஸ், பிட்வீன் these body walls, inside the walls. Therefore, iti taha shrutayaha prahuhu. These shrutis are talking, anupravesha shruti. All Upanishads are talking like this. Jivatvam pranadharanat. Jivatvam tad srishtva tadeva anupravishat tadanupravishva tadanupravishya tatyatyacha bhavat. So as though entered. So having created Jivatvam Pranadharanat. Jeev Pranadharane. I get Jivatma, the reflected consciousness in this body. I get Jivatvam name because Jeev Pranadharane. Pranadharane means holding the prana. Prana means prana is the holder of RC. Prana is the holder that RC can continue in this body. Prana and RC together. RC means reflected consciousness or Chidabhasa. Pratibimba Chaitanyam Tyartha. Not OC. Okay. The RC is, it is the reflection of the OC. Prana Dharanam. Prana is and RC are together. When this body outer shell perish, this RC continues, Prana continues, all sense organs, Sukshma Sariram continues and travel until it enters another body. Again start functioning. So Prana Dharanat Jivatvam. So the Jivas, so called because of upholding the vitality. And the Jivaங்கிற பேர் ஏன் வருதுன்னா அந்த பிராணன்னு பிடிச்சுட்டு இருக்க, அதனால தான் it is known as Jiva. Pranadharane. The prana in the body, it holds, it sustains in the body, stay in the body. That is why RC is known as Jivatma, Jivahana. Temporary name is given to that RC. OC Paramatma ke in enna perikka RC. Enna is holding the prana. That is the meaning. Next shloka we'll see in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.